Hello, everyone! We're here for the daily safety check.
Safety check time! Safety check just means more waiting. I want to work.
Today's lesson is about safety cones. Cones are like a warning. Be careful. Cones are just in the way. They slow us down.
Cones are very important for traffic safety. They protect everyone, Bruner. Stay safe, Bruner, and watch out for wet cement.
Patrol.
Safety.
Now we can finally get some real work done.
Oh, come on. The path I need is right on the other side.
See? It looks fine to me. Just a little sticky.
There, path is clear. Come on, Micky. I found a super fast shortcut. Follow me. Ooh, a shortcut. Micky loves shortcuts. Right behind you. I'm stuck. Oh no! Micky! Stop spinning your wheels! You're sinking!
I can't reach you.
It's too sticky. Oh no! The cones. This is all my fault. Jin! Rescue team! Help! It's an emergency!
Oh no! We're on our way! Rescue team, let's roll! Bruner! What happened to the safety cones?
He's in deep, Polly. Right in the middle. Jin, I'm scanning the concrete's viscosity. Oh no! The concrete is hardening. Viscosity is increasing.
I'm the strongest! I'll pull him out!
He's not budging. Oh no! My wheels! I'm sinking too! Stop, Roy! This isn't just a pulling problem. You have no traction.
Traction! That's the grip your tires need to push or pull.
I know! The site has heavy-duty steel traction pads. I can do it! I'll help! Coming in, Roy! Get ready! Perfect, Helly! Going back for the second one!
Activating! Stabilizer jacks!
It's all about support. The jacks spread the weight so he won't sink.
Okay, Micky, this is it! Mega winch! Pew! L!
I'm moving. I'm moving. He free. You did it, Roy. You're safe, Micky, but you're gonna need a really big wash. I'm sorry. I I moved the cones. I thought I was being fast. Safety rules aren't there to slow you down. They are there to protect you. Let's be safe together! Wait, everyone! What's that sound? Titan, stop! ST! His backup alarm is broken! I've got it! Roy can't hold it forever! We have to secure the wall!
No, Bruner! Stop! You're making it worse!
Pushing it won't work. We need to support it from the outside. Buttresses. We need angled supports to hold it up. Whoa! A little to the left. Perfect! It's in place! It's stable! Great job, Bruner! I helped. I really helped. Titan, we need to get your backup beeper fixed. It's an important safety sound. You learned 2 lessons. Respect safety cones and use engineering to solve problems. Another successful rescue! Micky, slow down! Oh! Bye-bye! Thanks for saving me! Oh!
Don't worry, Micky. I know exactly how to get you out.
Okay, Micky, grab on!
I'll make a lever. Aha!
Oof! Maybe we should use the winch. Good idea, Bruner, but physics is tricky. Thanks, Bruner. Pull.
Today we learned about viscosity. That's what makes concrete sticky.
We also learned about TR action. Tires need grip to pull. And we used engineering G to build buttresses.
Never play on a construction site. Always obey the signs. Whee! It tickles! That was a busy day! I'm glad Micky is okay. That concrete was hard.
One small mistake can turn into a big emergency.
Check your safety sounds, like your horn and beeper.
Safety cones are your friends. Never move them.
If you see a friend in trouble, call for help.
Always pay attention to your surroundings.
Thanks for joining us.
See you next time. Be safe.